What if I told you your beloved houseplants are quietly dying? And it's not your fault. Today we uncover the 5 hidden mistakes nearly every plant lover makes, and how to fix them before it's too late. Mistake number 1. Watering too much. Too much water suffocates the roots. Too little water dries them out. The secret is balance. Always check the top inch of soil. If it's dry, water. If it's still damp, wait. Mistake number 2. Wrong lighting. Plants need bright indirect light. Not full sun, not dark corners. Try placing them near an east or west facing window, or use a grow light if needed. Mistake number 3. Bad soil. When the soil doesn't drain, the roots drown. Good drainage means healthy roots. Use a mix with perlite cocoa coir or bark to improve airflow and drainage. Mistake number 4. Wrong fertilizing. Too much fertilizer burns the roots. Too little makes the plant weak and pale. Follow the instructions on the label. Feed during the growing season, and reduce feeding in winter. Mistake number 5. Ignoring leaf care. Dust on the leaves blocks sunlight and clogs the plant's pores. Gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth every few weeks. Clean leaves mean better breathing and brighter colors. Avoid these 5 classic mistakes and watch your plants thrive. Healthy roots, the right light, good soil, balanced feeding, and clean leaves. That's the secret to happy plants. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Be honest. We've all been there. Share your experience in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your plant-loving friends. Don't forget to subscribe. There's so much more green goodness coming your way. May your home always be filled with light, peace and thriving plants.